Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make these crochet webbed wrist cuffs. We're going to start off with a 5mm hook and some regular acrylic yarn. We're going to begin with a slip knot and we're going to chain 26. Once you have your chain, we're going to put a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. And then we're going to single crochet all the way down. You should have 25 stitches. To start the next row, we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and then put a single crochet into the very first stitch, and then we're going to single crochet down for a total of 23 single crochets. When we get to the 24th space, we're going to chain 1 and then put a single crochet into the 25th space. And that's going to leave the spot for our button to go through. And then to start the next row, we're just going to chain 1, turn our work, and then single crochet all the way down for a total of 25 more single crochets. Once we're finished row 3, we're going to straighten out our work and use a slip stitch to connect both ends. To start the spiderweb portion, we're going to start with a chain 3 because we're going to be working with triple crochets plus a chain 2, so a chain 5. And then we're going to put a triple crochet into the second stitch from the base. We're going to chain 2 again, skip a space, and put another triple crochet. So in between every triple crochet, we're going to leave a space and also chain 2. To finish the row, we're going to chain 2, and then we're going to find the third chain from the very beginning and slip stitch into it. This next row is going to begin with a chain 6, and then we're going to place all of our triple crochets on top of our triple crochets from the previous row. And in between each triple crochet on this row, we're going to chain 3. To finish this row, we're going to chain 3, and then we're going to slip stitch into the third chain from the beginning of the row. As you go up each row, you're just going to add 1 chain to make the spider web expand. So the first row was a chain 2, the second row was a chain 3, and this third row is going to be a chain 4. This pattern is very adjustable. You're able to make it as long or as short as you want. Whenever you are ready to fasten off, we're just going to slip stitch into the third chain from the beginning, and then we're going to fasten off and pull through, and then you can just use a tapestry needle to weave in the ends. And then when it comes to the button part, if you have a button, you can just sew the button on the other side. Or what I did was I made a magic circle and I single crocheted 8 into it to make myself a little button. Just a little note, I would suggest to block these so they don't look so stiff on your hand. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful. Catch you in the next one. Peace.